Hi, Chuck Woods for HotDevelops.net, and this is DazTudio 4.12 Pro. 4.12 Pro comes with a new plugin called Face Transfer. Once you get it installed, you just browse for an image. And it's going to place an image onto your Genesis 8 character, believe it or not. Choose your gender, hit generate. It crashed on me before. I don't know why. I like the way it looks and everything. I really do. Okay. Now, it's a saving thing, I do believe. Right. See, that's me. That's me. Well, with a little more hair, very little more. But I got some hair in there. And it did a pretty good job, trust me. I took this picture with my cell phone. It's not the best image, but it's strapped it in there pretty good, I think. And I don't want to save just yet. I'm having a little problem here. Let's try it again. Save. Product named. Give it this name. Give it Chuck. We call it Chuck, right? And enter name Chuck 12. And save as subset. It'll put it over here in your directory. Let's do that. And it's saved. Okay. It crashed a couple of times before, and I couldn't figure out why. If we go to File New, we can find it up in here, right where it told us it would be. Right under Scene Subsets, Face Transfer, Chuck 12. Yeah, I got a few of them in here. We just open it up and it's ready, right? And I got some more stuff in here too, right? Let me check them out. This is standard stuff here. Comes with a Daz. He's doing a double dance, kick, stomach. I don't know. Whatever you're doing. But I got some new stuff in here. I purchased some other stuff here under not Genesis 8 female, but male. Under poses, we got this stuff here from mocap. I got poser mocap. We have spy moves. Can I find it in here? Should be in here. Poser mocap Genesis 8 male spy moves. Now I got them on the timeline here, right? Pow, pow, pow. Look at them. He's gotta get back. Gotta get back. Oh my God, they're coming for me. Gotta get them. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Okay, anyway. I'm practicing while I'm using another plugin called, what is that? Mimic. Should be here. I don't know why it's not. Mimic. Let me see that. We'll go to window panes and Mimic Live. That's the puppy right there. I like that. I'll put that there and I'll kill these lights. Kill the lights. Don't need that. Mimic I like. We'll be using that shortly. But let's get him strapped in. Like I said, he's responsive to a whole lot of things. What is this? Guard 2. Boom. Ooh. He didn't make it. He didn't shoot fast enough. Anyway, I got these spy moves, and for the most part, he has a weapon, right? You see, right hand, left hand, Let's set him up with this right here. Let's get a weapon in his hand first, and that's under Genesis 8 female, to be exact. Under clothing, and the clothing inside of Strike Back, right? She has comes with a weapon. Let's put a gun in his right hand with the character selected. Let me go to scenes. Yeah, character selected, right hand, gun, right hand. Really, really, really great. I like that a lot. You don't see the gun in the hierarchy. Yeah, you do. It's strapped in right there. Let's move it around. Get it in his fingers. His fingers, his hand took the pose of holding the weapon. And we want to add this in right here at the beginning, Sometimes it's best to have them in a T-pose. You know, if you want to bring them into other applications such as Motion Builder, you might want them in a T-pose, right? I'm gonna get that gun in there strapped in, pretty nice. And with the this hand here, we'll go into posing. See, he has pose controls, and we'll grasp that a little bit. Left hand grasp, yeah. You know, check him out. Pow, pow. Looking good. Looking good. And there's so much other stuff you can do in here, right? Besides animate the character. That looks a little crooked. I'm gonna put that on him anyway. I should have had him in a T-pose. The gun's a little bit off, but I like it though. He's doing the best he can right now. He's doing the best he can. Let's do a little rotation in here, straighten that up a little bit if we can. Right, go here and raise it up. Maybe bring it down. Want to make sure we have that finger encompassed. It's a little too low, right? And with this finger, we can get in the first frame. Let's bend that a little bit. No, posing. Right index finger bend. It's not bending. It's not bending. Why not? Index. I don't have it selected, do I? That gun is very thorough. It has a barrel and everything. I like that. Well, we can go on the Max. Like, I'm going to take this out and put them in another application called 3ds Max, my favorite. But you guys knew that, right? Anyway, let's get going. Some things we want to set up properly here. We'll close all this crap and let's get this junk off of them. And let's do shaping. Give him a shape. He got to be buff a little bit. You know, he looks so raggedy here. He can use all these shapes. They're available for him. Yeah, I like this guy a little bit. You know, throw him in there. Give him a little buff, a little more buff, a little bit, huh? There he is. Handsome devil. Well, he will be when I get through with him. You better believe it. Now that I had this animation, let's dress him out here. Okay, we'll come out of Genesis 8 female, go back into male clothing. See what we can get away with here. Side B, that's new. Oh, that's that sweatsuit. You know, I don't like that. Yeah, we can do a solo that. We'll put these shoes on them. Make sure we have our character selected. Yeah. Put the shoes on them. Do the shirt. Some pants. Right. He's looking sharp. Wonder what the shoes look like. Oh yeah, you're in there. You're in there, buddy. You're in there. I don't like that bald head. Maybe I can do the shaping a little bit more, huh? Look at that guy at. Let's give him some of this. A little bit more girth. Oh, we won't see that, so get a shirt on. You know, you can get veins in here. I didn't purchase any of those. Let's get some hair on his head. Yeah, that baldness. I'm not bald yet. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm not there just yet. Okay. Pop, get in there. Thank you. And this is stylish hair. It was roughly $45-50 also. And let's do some lines. I mean, at 8, we have to have the hair selected. Then we can put the style on it, right? Pop that in there. Yeah. Back to the clothing. I forgot there's something I want to put on him. Back to the clothing. Right here. Now on my other machine, it worked. Sunglasses. Let's do that. See, it didn't on my other machine. It didn't drop down. Oops. That's pretty close. It's pretty close right there. Gotta have shades on, right? Yeah. Gotta have the shades on. Let's run that back. Bow, 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 bow. He's looking great. Need a jacket. Let me go back in here and get my jacket. That was solid outfit and that jacket. I need to have that jacket on him. That was the outfit jacket, and not on the hair, but put it on the character itself. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I'm ready for you. He's ready for you now. He's ready. He's ready. Wow, he's looking sharp. Great. And the glasses, not too far out of place. Put the animation on and then put the accessories, the props. I think that's a prop. I do believe it comes in as a prop. All right. Now that we have that, we can get them over into, well, first, before we export them, we want to bake this studio keyframe. Bake the studio keyframes, right? Yes. And back them up a little bit. Yeah. He's busting caps. Busting caps. I'll export them out of here. Well, let's do the export anyway. File, export. And from Daz characters, we'll make a new folder. Call them Sharp Dude Shooting. Yeah, we'll call them that. Copy that. Make a new folder. Paste that. And open it. Save that. By default, 2012. Collect textures. What do you call it? To folder, diffuse opacity, leave that blank. Or the hair won't come in right. I'll show you what I mean when we get over to Max. And props. Yes, we do have a prop. And that's a gun. We want to select props. That's in there already. Hit accept. And I'll be right back. Take it to Max.